Hi guys, my name is Farhan Iskandar bin Sanusi and I am from Group 5. In this video, we will demonstrate to you guys how to play this game from our group, which is called Procurement Dash. So let's go. The first one, you will get the question card. The next one is the indicator for each players. And the third one is the item badge. This is also the item badge. This is the token for each player if they move to the next stage. This is the questions that we have prepared for the participants to answer while playing the game to move to the next stage. This game requires 2 until 4 players and 1 moderator. Moderator will be given stack of question card, answer sheet and badges. Each player chooses one indicator to represent them. When a question badge appears, each player will be given one card from the stack by the moderators to answer. Player who can answer the question will be given the item badge. Players then must put the badge in the stage column area, then move to the next stage. Repeat steps 4 until 6 for the first 2 stages of the game, which is stage 1 and stage 2. Okay, so right now as you guys can see, the player 1 cannot answer the questions. Meanwhile, player 2 have already answered 2 questions. The fastest one can move to the next stage as soon as possible. In this game, there are 10 stages. For stage 3, 5, 7, 8 and 10, there are no item badge players need to put in the stage column area as stage 1 and stage 2. Instead, they just need to answer the question to pass the stage. For stage 4, 6 and 9, each player is given their own route. It is indicated by each player's token color. In these stages, the player must identify the best supplier to obtain the materials required to build the table. As you guys can see, player 2 already choose the supplier using their token's color. However, in these stages, once the player already chooses the best supplier in stage 4, they must choose the same supplier for stage 6 and 9. The winner of this game will be crowned if the player can finish this game with the fastest time and can choose the right supplier. Players can change their supplier selection. However, they must answer one question each for one change they want to make. Since it must all be the same supplier from the beginning to the end, so the player 1 must answer 3 questions to change their supplier selections from the end to the beginning, as you guys can see in this video.